Hey guys, it's your boy Leo, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an Etsy shop in February 2023. Let's get to it. So first things first, what you guys want to do is you want to have a professional email already set for your shop, right? So let's head over to Google Emails, right? Gmail, and make sure you guys have an account. Don't worry about this name because, feel me, I'm just showing you how to do it. Make sure you have a professional name. Let's say your shop's name is Cloud Central. You can name it cloudcentral.co or like Cloud Central Inc, something like that, so it could be like professional, right? So what you guys want to do next is head over to etsy.com, right? After we're here on etsy.com, we want to sign in using our email that we just created. Don't worry about the email again. Once we log in, what you guys want to do is y'all want to hit to sell on Etsy, right? Once you're here, you click get started. Let's do this. Don't worry about all this, just skip it. It's just BS. Skip it. Yep. Start your shop. So here it's showing shop language, if you, whatever language you guys want. The country, obviously United States. If you guys are somewhere else, then you could do that. The currency is dollar for me because I'm in the United States. Again, wherever you guys at, you could put it. And we click save and continue. The shop name. Make sure you guys' shop name is nice and cute for me, even though it does not matter for this Etsy. Like, it doesn't matter the name you guys have. I've seen shops that have dumbass names. So now that the name is done, I chose Shop Toys R Us by Leo. Let me delete the S right there, actually. Click save and continue. Here is gonna tell you guys to do the listing already. If you guys do not have a listing, just go ahead and find one. I'm gonna show you guys. Should I say for the next video? I'll give you guys a little tip. I'll give you guys a little tip for now. I'm gonna do a next video on this, on how to select your guys' products if you guys have no idea how to do it, all that good stuff. So let's head over to the best site in the world, Amazon, right? Let's just type anime. F it. Whatever. So let's say I wanted to sell this. Okay, I want to sell this, right? So for now, I'm just do it this way, but I will show you guys in the next video how to do all this, how to, what like extensions you need for Google, everything, all that stuff. So I'm gonna just save this, whatever, it's just as a test. Don't worry about the blast off stuff. So you need to add a photo, right? I'll stay with that photo, even though it is a test product, so it doesn't matter. The title, I'll name it, what does Amazon name it? Oh, 3-piece LED mask. There you go. Again, the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be explaining how to do the listings. So do not worry about this right now. I'm showing you how to get started first with your shop, etc. Who made it? Just make sure you do that I did. A finished product, made to order. I will explain all this in the next video. Cause Etsy does not like you. Everything has to be handmade. So this is a 3D mask. Put 3D mask as the category because it's a mask, obviously. You can put face masks and coverings, whatever. Primary color, you guys do not have to worry about that. Or secondary color or size, even though you guys could do it, but it's literally not necessary. You guys do not need to do that. Pocket, nose wire, what the hell is all that? Nope, doesn't matter. Everything else is optional. You guys do not have to do mostly. So renewal options, you either could do automatic, which means that every month or every 3 months, I think, it's gonna charge you again 20 cents to list a product. It takes 20 cents only to list a product, right? So, or you guys do manual. You can do it yourself, so it doesn't take the 20 cents. What if an item that is not doing so well, it's gonna do automatically? No, then you can put manual, so you can do it yourself. Okay, the item type is physical. Digital is mostly for like PNGs, PDFs, all that stuff. So just put physical. The description, again, I'll explain this in the next video. I usually just do this, right? And delete this. Right. Alright, I'll explain this next video. Production partner, you do not need a production partner. The tags, again, I'll explain this in the next video. But for now, I'm just put mask, anime mask, anime merch, face covering. Again, I'll just leave it like that for now. I don't want the video to be too long. So materials, you guys do not need to do that. The price. So what I usually do is I just put double of what this is here, like 50% at least. So 28, I'll put it for like 40, for like $42.99. Quantity, again, just put whatever. Actually, I usually like putting 33 for some reason. I don't know why, but I just like doing that. Variations, This I'll explain again in the next video. If the listing has different variations of the masks, then you guys could add the variations. This personalized, again, for this item you don't need it, but if an item were to like require a name that you need to put on it or anything like that, then you would do that. Okay, next what we're gonna do is go down to the shipping. Right here, you're gonna have to pick, I'll enter fixed prices manually. The zip code, just put a random zip code. I'm just gonna put, actually you can put the zip code of your area. I'm just gonna put the zip code of my area that's near around here. I'll just put that. Processing time, I usually put it on 1 to 3 business days, or I actually put it 3 to 5 because it gives me time for the Amazon person to give me the shipping address and stuff, like the shipping thing, like the tracking number. But yeah, I usually like doing that. Again, I'll explain this in more depth in the next video. Shipping service, just put other. Delivery time, okay, again, I'll explain in the next video. For now, just put 3 to 7 days for now. Delete everywhere else, we do not need that. Then you can save the shipping file as AMZ short. I will explain this again. The policy, okay, the policy, I usually do no returns, no exchanges, because that's going to be so annoying if somebody has to return an item. And yeah, the next thing you do is click save and continue, and there you go. That's your first listing. And then you don't have to add more listings right now. Again, just finish your account first. Okay, once you guys get to here on how you'll get paid, you're gonna put all your private information. You need this because of the taxes and stuff like that, feel me? You put your country of residence, your first name, last name, date of birth, social security number. If you live in another country, it's gonna have whatever, right? And then street name, where you live, etc. Okay, the connect your bank thing is gonna be with Plate. Plate is amazing. You guys click it. I can't click it right now because I just can't. I already have, okay, whatever. But when you guys click that, it's gonna show you a little pop-up thing where you guys can put your bank details. You guys gonna log in with whatever bank you guys want it to deposit money into. So it's gonna be like a checking account, right? So if you check with credit or with Capital One, you're gonna put Capital One, or Chase, whatever you guys use is gonna be right there. You should log in with that. It's gonna be lit, right? Next, on billing, I can't get to billing because I already got to this step. It's gonna look a little bit like this. So here is where all your charges are gonna go to. So let's say the listing fees, the 20 cents is gonna take it from here, from your credit card that you put, or debit card. I think you can put a debit card, but it's whatever. Just put a credit card if you can. Just put card number, expiration date, CCV, everything. So it's gonna be fine. And then yeah, that's basically it. The shop security, you guys get to that, you're gonna be fine. Basically the security of your shop. And yeah, so you make a little Etsy shop. The next video is gonna be me going in more in depth about like the listing, how to list a good product, how to find a good product, what to do with the tags, etc. All the little tips and tricks I do and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next fucking video, bitch.